So on my Tesla Model S, this one is a 2015 model. The door handle pops out, but it won't open the door. There's a couple different causes for this. I think one of the most common causes is a faulty switch. However, my switches I think are okay because I've changed them before and this issue happened again. And I noticed something. The motor keeps moving. See the motor there? Keeps trying to move. Okay, so, and then on the door handle, I don't have any flex. Like it doesn't move when I try and pull it. So whereas normally the door is closed and you try and pull it, you have that small play. Watch. See, it comes out a little bit. That one is like stiff, doesn't move, and this motor keeps moving and keeps trying to do something. Now it does work. Like, watch this. When I go to close the handle, motor works, closes the handle, and when the handle's closed, motor stops. When it's open, it keeps moving. So I feel like something's out of position, and I don't know how to fix it, but I'm gonna attempt it. So stay tuned if you also have this problem, or if you're curious on what's causing it and how to fix it. Okay, I got it out of the vehicle. First thing I notice is it's really warm around here. This box right here, there's a box there with those screws. I don't know what's under it or what's in it, maybe the motor. It's really, really warm. So that's something to consider. What I'm gonna do now is do a quick little visual inspection of everything. So this is the switch that I've replaced last time. And it looks like it's still in great condition. It's still in the right position there. So that is probably not the issue. And looks like when the door handle opens, it's still working. So as I guess, the switch is okay. And then we have the other switch here. It's okay. Usually they'll crack, so you'll see that they're cracked and broken and literally pieces broken off, but no, the switch is good. Then we got one more right over here. Oh, this one could be problematic. Where's the wire that connects to that one? It looks like there's a wire broken right off the top. See that? So that could be a problem. Oh, looks like this would be the wire. Whoa, wow, 2 wires that plugs onto that switch. So that's definitely an issue. That has broken off. So first thing I'm gonna do is try and fix that and see if that helps anything. And then we'll take it from there. Okay, I don't have a spare switch, so I'm gonna try and fix this one. What I've done is I've peeled back some of this rubber coating to expose the wires, so we have it broken right off this bracket, then the other one in the back. I don't even have a soldering iron, but I'm going to go ahead and try to fix this by adding some wire to it and then reconnecting that wire to a harness. And then I'm gonna reinstall it on the Tesla, and I'm gonna see if this actually fixes that motor issue. connected and we're gonna take a listen. First I'll connect this piece here. I don't hear it. I'm actually gonna take a little peek. Oh shit. Take a peek at the motor. Oh, there's the motor. Shh, don't wake it up. See it there? I don't hear it, but that's normal because it's closed. It usually only makes that noise when it's open. So, can't get too excited yet. I need to bolt it up and then we're gonna open it and see. Okay, time to test it. See the gear? I'm gonna go ahead and unlock the doors. Oh, it's not doing it. Did we fix it? All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Ah, it works. Okay, so I pulled it outside and I tried the door. It works perfectly. That was the solution. That was the solution for the motor that didn't want to stop running. It kept clicking. And that was also the solution for the handle not opening. So the micro switches seem to be an extremely common problem. And the cool thing about it is, as you saw today, there's no magic to them. It's just a micro switch. So buy some spare ones and you can always make it work. Even if they're broken like how mine was, you can make it work. I recommend just changing it, but if you're in a jam and you just want it fixed, you can do it.